That's with me, guys. So I'm gonna put some scallion, cut up some scallion in the flour. I'm gonna do some fritters. So it's just flour, salt, and scallion. Okay, I washed it and I'm gonna cut it up. It gives it a nice flavor, guys. So this will be my breakfast. Just some fritters and egg and sausage. So that's enough. So I'm just gonna add some water. Good morning. Hmm? Okay. Focus. It's not focusing, guys. Ooh, ha, ooh, ha. Okay, mix it up. It's just flour and some scallion and a little salt. And now I'm gonna add the oil to the pan. That's enough. Okay, guys, so add them to the pan. I don't know why this is not focusing. So I add them to the pan. I'm just gonna watch them. Alright, not gonna let them burn. Oh, they're really thin, but I like them thin and kind of crispy. Like, oh my god, this is a mess. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I like when they're thin like that. Let me turn this up a little bit. I can have a little crunch to it. That's how my dumplings look, my fritters. But guys, may I tell you, it smells so good with this scallion. Only thing missing is a piece of saltfish, but still gonna taste good. Okay, guys, keep on watching. It's my fritters, my dumpling, my fritters. Yes, guys, this is color more. See, some little crunch to it. Yes, guys, that's what it's looking like. Yes, nice little brown color coming on. So I like it. Nice and crunchy. Let's flip these before them burn. Yes, nice. This can already take them out. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice and crispy. Yeah. Alright, see you in the next clip. Okay, guys, I'm gonna fry the egg now. I'm just gonna add a little more oil. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's mix it out the egg. Mix it out. Now put the sausage. Salt. Black pepper, and that's it. Okay, my breakfast is almost ready, guys. So, so that's breakfast, guys. Yeah. So it's fritters with scallion in the flour and eggs and sausage. What do you all like to have for breakfast? What do you all love to have for tea? Coffee or just tea? I love tea. Yes, so this is ginger lemon, honey ginger lemon tea bag. It's really good. So yeah, that's breakfast. I'm just gonna add some sugar and breakfast is served. Yes, guys, so it's breakfast time. Honey ginger lemon. That's it? Yeah. Okay, so guys, do you like fritters, or you can still call it fried dumplings? Guys, flour, salt, and scallion. So it's fritters. Fritters. See? Nice and thin with scallion in it, and I'm gonna taste it. And it's gonna taste good. So scallion give it some nice flavor, guys. Have you ever tried it like this without saltfish? Just the scallion is good. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm sure you don't want to see me eating. So hope you all have a blessed day or a blessed night and a blessed weekend and a blessed October. I pray and I hope God will bless you all bountifully this new month. So stay focused, stay blessed, stay safe, and of course, stay motivated. Thanks for watching.